gonna be all right.
Oh, Olivia, I'm so worried about Big Bird.
Well, don't.
But he's out there all alone, and Miss Finch could get him.
Not if we find him first. And believe me, Telly, we will. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, listen, everybody. Here's the plan. We're here.
Yes.
And Big Bird is here, heading toward Sesame Street. We hope.
Okay.
Yeah, right.
Gordon, you're going to take the Volkswagen on this route here.
You got it, Bob.
Good, Bob.
And Linda, you go with Gordon.
Boy, I better work on that car.
Oscar, the sloppy jalopy will take Route 12. And Maria, you better stick with Oscar.
All right.
Hey, you and me, Skinny.
The
what about
Cowmobile
me?
will take this road here. Now, you should meet up with Big Bird right around Toadstool.
Toadstool?
Now, if you get there and you haven't found him, phone here.
Yeah, you haven't
Any
found
questions?
Yes, I have a question.
What is it, Oscar?
What is the capital of South Dakota?
Not now. This is serious.
Oscar, if you don't want to go on this trip, you don't have to.
Are you kidding? I love wild goose chases. Let's go get lost.
No, let's all find Big Bird.
Ah, 1, 2, 3 cars going to find Big Bird.
Bye-bye. Cookie, will you stop eating the hubcaps?
Oh, this delicious me so hungry.
Because we haven't even started our trip yet.
That's okay. Me eat 3 other hubcaps later.
Cookie?
Well, I think we're ready to go. I got a honker in the back because my horn is broken. And now it's time to see some of the great Grouch landmarks of America.
No, it's not. Now it's time to find Big Bird, remember?
Yeah. Party over.
This is a job for super. Oh, my kid got hot. I'll take a taxi.
We're coming, Big
Ernie,
Bird.
hold it.
We're coming, Big.
Hold it. Are you sure you know how to fly a plane?
Trust me, Bird.
Well, all right, I don't know about this.
Well, they're off. You think they're going to find Big Bird, Adrian?
Hope so.
Me too.
I wonder where Big Bird is now.